Meaning of Father Time.
Father Time.
Father Time.
Father Time.
Father Time. Father Time is a personification of the passage of time. In various cultures, Father Time is often depicted as an elderly man with a long beard wielding a scythe or hourglass symbolizing the fleeting nature of time. As a figure in mythology and folklore, he is associated with the inevitability of aging and mortality. The phrase Father Time is often used figuratively to refer to the effects of time on people and things, as well as to suggest that time is an all-powerful entity that cannot be outrun or defeated.